morning, boys and girls. My name is Aiden. Today we'll be making bracelets out of pipe cleaners. So, to do so, all you need to do is overlap them, twisting over each other, as so. Just kind of like that. And you just keep overlapping them. And you can do this with more than two, but I chose to do it with two. It doesn't matter. You can probably do this with as many as you like, but I feel like two is made the most sense to me. And when you're done, it'll look something like this. Then all you have to do is overlap the sides, like so, and you have a nice bracelet. Goodbye, boys and girls. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.